Hello people, I want to show you how to make your own video. Yeah, for example with these PowerPoints, I distribute it, whatever. I take the program OBS Studio, which is open source, it's a freeware to record the screen to start to make the video, for example from a PowerPoint presentation. Yeah, here in the settings, okay, I could make it in English. You have here the language, German now, because it's running already. You can select the output, what you want. I make, for example, I make MP4. And the location, where you want to have the location. Yeah, the scaling. And also the audio, you have to select your microphone, to find your microphone, and you can make some hotkeys for to start it in the background. Okay, where you want to have it, MP4 or another format, but we cannot change it now. You see it's MP4, yeah, and then start the video. Okay, for example here you have a PowerPoint in here. I press F11 now, then you have it full screen, and then you can make your comments. And at the end, you have the hotkey, or you say finish this file. Yeah, finish this recording. Okay, and then you want to cut it. Now we go to Shotcut. I take the program, it's called Shotcut. Yeah. And when you open it, it looks like that. In German, anyway, in English it's about almost the same. So here you select the folder which you want to have, and here I selected Children Are Our Future. Children Are Our Future. Okay, and then you give the text here. What do you want? Okay, and then you say start. It's already existing, so I make something like that. Okay, then you have this blank screen in here, and now you need the objects. Now you need the objects to make this video, to make this movie. Okay, you say file open, and you take all the objects you need, you want. In here I have a specific folder with all the JPEGs, the audio and video, whatever you need for to make this video. Open, and then everything is coming here, and it already starts to play the sound, to play the music. Okay, here the line, the timeline is in here, and this is our first image we put in here, and you can say how long you want to have it, for example 50 minutes. 50 minutes. Then I make another track, audio track. I make another audio track, and in the audio track I put the according music I want to have in the beginning. Yeah, that is the music I want to have in the beginning. So then you go here, because it's too long, you want to have it shorter. Only the first image is 15 seconds about. So I make here, you see, cut, and then you have two strings, and then you remove with the remove key the audio. You remove the audio, the right one and the left one remains. And then you go here and make filter, and then you say plus audio ausblenden. That means at the end it should go slowly down, and then you can make plus, let's say 2 seconds here. Okay, 2 seconds. That means the audio is not immediately stopping, it's going slowly down. In here I want a text, and the text, you say select others, text, and this one is, I write the text I want to have here, and they put the timeline, but not in this timeline. I make another track here. I say only a track in here, and it should be the top one here on top, because this one is overriding the next one, is overriding the next one. Yeah, this is top. It should be on top, and the whole time it should show the text Christina Herzbotschaften. But I want to, strange that I don't see it. We will see it later on. The text, change the color in here. Yeah, then this properties is coming here. You can change the color. Anyway, you can start it. Yeah, you see it here now. You can start to see how it will looking. Hear the sound, so we can make a check every time you want about this one. I remove it a little bit down, and then in here you can say, okay, I don't want this font. I want to have another font. I'll take, for example, Sri Lanka bold. Okay, I like it more. So you can design the text how you want it. And then the next is the long text. I close this again, bum, bum, and take the long text or the video. In our case, it's a text. Starting from here, maybe a short break. The music's going down, a short break, and then the long text is coming here. You see to the right side, it's quite a long text. And for this, we need some images. Yeah. By the way, we take this image, and then we can check. The complete one is 3 minutes, and we have 8 images. So maybe, yeah, 50 seconds or 40 seconds. 1, 2, 1 minute. 3. Okay, you see I move it with overlapping, and then the, let's say the from one to the other one, it's looks more beautiful if you have a little bit overlapping of the images. So you have another one, overlapping. A little bit more, a little bit less. It depends on you, how you want it. Okay, we have some more, so I don't make it so long. A little bit less, 155. Okay, 2 minutes. Then here, 2 minutes. Sorry, a little bit noise in the background at the cleaning. 225, make 240. Okay, then reduce. Okay, maybe there is a little bit time for more images, so I make them a little bit. No, maybe we get it, yeah. Then we have this one. On this one. Yeah, when we have a little bit long track, for example here, we can make it smaller and put another image in here. Now the overlapping is Okay, we see. Can make it shorter. Put this one in here and put another one in here because they have a little bit more. Okay, come on. Okay, and we see at the end the last one is this one. So we have two more. One more. Put it here. And another one in here. Then we got it. Okay, all our images are distributed in here in the timeline. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. We go to the right. Oh, yo. There. We can make it longer. Okay. Okay, so now we have a last image of Christina von Dreien, which you put in here with a little bit overlapping in here. And we have again the sound we can take here, or we can also pick it from existing already. Then we have this fade out already here. You can pick it from here, copy, Control C, and paste here. Okay, you see it's coming here. Then we make this longer, our little Christina. The music is starting here with a small gap, and maybe here we also start not loud immediately, but again filter plus I'm blended, means in the beginning it starts a little bit more slowly. So we almost got it. Only at the end we want to have a text in here. Yeah, nice image. Yeah? Starting maybe a little bit more here of the text, and with the www, you know, text www. Christina von Dreien, blop, puts it here. We make it until to the end, to the very end. A little bit longer, then you don't see only the text. And then if you select it, these properties are coming again. I like my yellow, it's my preferred color. You can put it down, change the text if you want, or leave it as it is. Okay, that's it, people. That's it, people. Yeah, change the text. Okay, let's change the text. That it's a little bit like the beginning, Sri Lanka, a little bit more fine. You can move this text here, as you know. Okay, let's take a look at the end. It should be a little bit longer. Christina should be a little bit longer at the end. Music is going down, text is going down. Okay, then you can make a check of the transfers. Okay, you see the text is coming. Nice, wow. And then you take a look in the beginning. Also, you listen to it for sure that the music is okay. Let's say at the end of the beginning, the switch over to the next image. Wow. Okay, it's a little bit abrupt, but it's okay. And then the text is coming. Yeah, you see the text is coming. And maybe you listen it now. Okay, wonderful. That's it. Now we say export. Export. Export the file. And I export it here. He always takes the correct name, which you gave in the beginning. That's it, people. So easy. Okay, let's go. You do your own video and then you upload to YouTube. Have a good time. Good success. Bye-bye.